Errors affecting profit. A business purchased a motor car on 1 July 20x6 for $5,000. It is to be depreciated at 10% per year on a straight-line basis, assuming a residual value at the end of 10 years of $1,000. With a proportionate depreciation change in the years of purchase and disposal. The $5,000 cost was correctly entered in the cash book, but posted to the debit of the motor vehicle's repairs account. How will the business profit for the year ended 31 December 20x6 be affected by the error? Answer. Repairs cost overstated, $5,000. Depreciation understated, $5,000 minus $1,000 times 10% times 6/12 minus $200. Profit understated, $4,800.